शिवोलची झाडां कातरून उडोवपाच्या प्रकरणात उच्च न्यायालयान भौशीक बांदकाम खात्याच्या पालवी अभियंत्याक तशेंच रान खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्याक स्पश्टीकरण दिवपाक सांगला। ह्या प्रकरणाची मंगळारा सुनावणी जाली। फुडली सुनावणी 10 एप्रिलाक जातली।
The person who is accused of cutting of the tree has also filed an affidavit. As far as Panchayat is concerned, they have said that they have not done this tree cutting. Further, the High Court has directed implement of two officers. One is the engineer and the other person is the forest officer who had granted the permission for cutting of the trees. They are supposed to file affidavits by the next date, that is by Monday they have to file the affidavit explaining their action to grant permission and as far as PWD employee is concerned, whether and what circumstances under which he applied for tree cutting. Those are the orders which are passed by the High Court today. As far as other respondents are concerned, they sought time to file affidavit. They have been granted a week's time to file an affidavit. The contractor has filed an affidavit. He has not disclosed any name. He has said that if he will be tried for an offence, and in that view of the matter, he cannot be forced to file an affidavit or make any statement. He has a protection under the Constitution of not making any admission insofar as criminal offences are concerned. So he has taken that stand. Notices will go to them. One is the officer of the forest department, other one is the PWD assistant engineer who applied for tree felling permission from the forest department. See, totally 29 trees were cut. That is what has come on record. No, the permissions are obtained in the month of June for cutting those 200 trees. They are not actually cut. Only 29 are cut. So these are in private properties. The ones which are cut are in the private property.